Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be learning how to schedule tasks in Linux with Cron. Now let's get started. So what are cron jobs? Cron jobs are basically scheduled tasks. So if you want to do something at a specific time on your computer or your web server, then you can assign a cron job to do it for you. Every user on the system will have their own set of cron jobs, and the list of cron jobs for a user is considered as a cron tab. So the first command is cron tab -l. So this will list your cron jobs. So as you can see, my user has no cron jobs at all. Now to set up a cron job, type the command cron tab -e. If this is the first time you're setting up a cron job, then you will be prompted to select your text editor. You can go with nano by entering 1. And here we have a default cron tab. So if you notice here, we are editing a temp file. So with the cron tab -e command, we are not directly editing the cron tab. So first, we'll work on this temp file. Assuming everything is good, it is going to copy it into the actual cron tab. So these comments here will help you understand what each field is and how to set up a cron job. Now let's go ahead and add a cron job. So a cron job consists of 6 fields. So here the first field stands for minutes. So it can be in the range 0 to 59. And the second field stands for hours, which can be in the range 0 to 23. And the next field stands for the day of the month, which can be from 1 to 31. Then the next field stands for the month itself, which can be from 1 to 12. And the next field stands for the day of the week, which can range from 0 to 7, where you can write 0 or 7 for Sunday. And in the next field, we'll write the command we want to execute. This command will execute at every minute of the day, every hour of the day, every day of the month, every month of the year, and every day of the week. So in short, this command will be executed every minute for eternity. So if I change the first field to 20, this command will be executed at every 20th minute. So it'll be executed at 120, 220, 320, 420, 520, and so on. Now if I change the second field to 4, then this command will be executed at 420 every day. So here our command will be executed at 420 on 15th of every month. So now this command will be executed on 15th of August at 420. So now our command will be executed on 15th of August at 420 if it is a Friday. Now there's a different way to do this also. To execute this command hourly, you can also write @hourly. Similarly, if you want to do it for monthly, you can type in monthly. And similarly, you can go for daily and yearly also. Similarly, you can also use reboot here. So once the system reboots, then this command gets executed. Now let's execute this command every minute. Now hit on Ctrl O, enter, then Ctrl X. So as you can see here, our cron tab has created test.txt. Let's delete and wait for the next minute. So as you can see here, a file is being created at every minute. So here we can see our cron jobs being executed. So it is creating a new file every minute. So now let's take a practical example of a web server. So first we have to install Apache. So now we have Apache. Now let's open up our browser. Type in localhost. Since we have our Apache installed, we should get the default Apache start page. So now I should also have a web server user. So let's check that. So now let's switch to the data user. So as you can see, it is showing the account is currently not available. This is because the shell has been set to no login. A system user cannot log into the system as the www data user. This is because if they could log in, then they can actually delete our entire website or insert some malware or do any malicious activity. But even though I can't log in, I still can assign a cron job for this account. Select one. So if your server is serving a website, then there might be a cron job that you might want to run occasionally. Say for example, a backup script. Let's say we want to run a backup script at 3 a.m. every day. Here it is very important to add the full path to the script you are executing. But we won't be able to run the script as we do not have the script on a web server. But this is how it will look in a real life instance. Now let's open up our browser and search in Cron tab generator. So you can use this website to generate your cron job. You can select the minute, hours, days of months, and you can type in the command here. So as you can see, this has generated our cron job.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.